Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. Open it and remove all contents to ensure clear access. Gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to disengage the retaining clips. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small clips on either side of this cover. Gently unclip them. With the cover removed, you can now carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Notice its condition and the direction of the airflow arrow. Before inserting the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old one. The new filter must be installed with its arrow pointing in the same direction, typically downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it's fully seated and not bent. This ensures proper air filtration for your vehicle's cabin. Now, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the clips snap firmly into place. Next, align the glove box hinges and gently push the glove box back up until the side clips re-engage. Give the glove box a quick open and close to confirm it's securely latched. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.